Setelah Singapore Airlines, insiden turbulensi parah pesawat saat di udara juga terjadi pada pesawat maskapai Qatar Airways. Pesawat Qatar Airways penerbangan dari Doha ke Dublin, Irlandia, mengalami turbulensi pada Minggu 26 Mei 2024. Sejumlah penumpang pun menceritakan situasi saat pesawat sedang turbulensi. Seorang penumpang bernama Cheryl Saker menceritakan awalnya penerbangan terasa baik-baik saja. Tiba-tiba, pesawat seakan berhenti melaju dan jatuh cukup kencang. Kendati pilot cepat mengendalikan pesawat, namun ada beberapa orang terlempar karena tidak memakai sabuk pengaman dan terbentur ke berbagai arah. Selain itu, barang-barang juga jatuh berserakan ke lantai pesawat hingga menyebabkan beberapa orang terluka dan cedera.
I'm feeling okay. I've settled down now, but it was quite scary. The plane just seemed to go stop, which it didn't, but then dropped, quite a severe drop. And then fortunately the captain got it under control quite quickly because I was thinking, it's going to keep falling. But unfortunately there was a couple of passengers that didn't have seatbelts on, so they were thrown in front of us. They were thrown out of their seats and hit their head. A number of the staff had severe injuries. With one had a splint on a hand. They all had some sort of injury to their hands. One had looked like she might have had a twisted ankle.
Selain itu, penumpang lain bernama Mufadal Ali mengaku bahwa insiden ini sangat menakutkan. Saat turbulensi terjadi, katanya semua orang dan makanan tampak terbang berhamburan di dalam pesawat. Bahkan ia menyebut bahwa insiden yang berlangsung selama 10 hingga 15 detik ini menjadi 15 detik terburuk dalam hidupnya.
It was very scary, to be honest. Like I'm still shivering, right? It was for the 10 or 15 seconds, and that was the worst 15 seconds of my life. But by the God, we are safe. The food was everywhere on the plane because it was a taxi time, and I have seen few people. They were like literally flying in the plane because it was so pressure in the plane.
Adapun penerbangan Qatar Airways QR107 ini mengalami turbulensi saat terbang di atas Turkiye. Menurut pernyataan Bandara Dublin, 12 orang mengalami luka-luka yang mana 6 orang diantaranya penumpang dan 6 orang lainnya adalah kru pesawat. Untungnya pesawat tidak mengalami masalah lebih lanjut dan bisa mendarat dengan selamat di Bandara Dublin tak lama sebelum pukul 1 siang waktu setempat. Kedatangan pesawat langsung disambut oleh petugas layanan darurat, termasuk polisi bandara, pemadam kebakaran, dan tim penyelamat.